Did you know gluten can trigger over 200 symptoms in those with celiac disease? Gluten is a protein found in wheat, barley, and rye that some people choose to avoid. Welcome back to Healthy Bites. This video is going to show you how gluten works and all the benefits of avoiding it in your diet. Gluten is a structural protein found in wheat, barley, and rye, giving dough its elasticity. Bread, pasta, and baked goods are common foods containing gluten that many people consume daily. Gluten-free diets have surged in popularity, driven by increasing awareness of gluten intolerance. Many adopt these diets to improve digestive health, even without a formal diagnosis of celiac disease. For individuals with celiac disease, eliminating gluten is essential to prevent intestinal damage. A gluten-free diet can improve nutrient absorption, alleviate symptoms, and significantly enhance overall health and well-being. Those with gluten sensitivity or intolerance may experience digestive discomfort. Avoiding gluten can lead to reduced bloating, improved energy levels, and enhanced digestive health for these individuals. For individuals with gluten sensitivity or intolerance, removing gluten can alleviate uncomfortable symptoms like bloating and fatigue. A gluten-free diet can improve overall well-being and increase energy levels. Despite its benefits, the gluten-free diet is not a one-size-fits-all solution. Some people mistakenly believe it aids weight loss or boosts health universally, which isn't always true. Get ready to tantalize your taste buds with a healthy quinoa salad. This nutritious and delicious dish is perfect for those embracing a gluten-free lifestyle while craving something light and satisfying. You'll need quinoa, cherry tomatoes, cucumber, red onion, fresh parsley, lemon juice, olive oil, salt, and pepper. These fresh ingredients come together to create a vibrant and wholesome salad. Start by cooking the quinoa until fluffy. Then, chop the vegetables and parsley. Mix everything in a bowl, drizzle with lemon juice and olive oil, and season to taste. Enjoy your refreshing salad. Just a quick reminder, liking and subscribing allows me to keep making amazing videos like this. Your support means the world and helps us create more content like this. Thank you for watching. Indulge in a delightful breakfast with gluten-free banana pancakes, offering a fluffy, naturally sweet treat perfect for any morning. These pancakes are sure to become a family favorite, loved by all ages. To make these pancakes, you will need ripe bananas, gluten-free flour, eggs, baking powder, milk, and a pinch of salt. These simple ingredients come together to create delicious, gluten-free goodness. Begin by mashing the bananas in a bowl. Add the eggs, milk, and mix until combined. Stir in the gluten-free flour, baking powder, and salt. Cook on a hot griddle until golden brown. For a fresh and healthy lunch or dinner, try zucchini noodles with pesto. This vibrant dish is packed with flavor and nutrients, making it a satisfying gluten-free alternative to traditional pasta. You'll need fresh zucchini, basil pesto, cherry tomatoes, pine nuts, and Parmesan cheese. These ingredients work harmoniously to create a delightful and nutritious meal that's both gluten-free and delicious. To prepare the zucchini noodles, start by spiralizing fresh zucchini into noodle shapes. Toss them with vibrant pesto sauce, ensuring even coverage. Serve immediately for a refreshing gluten-free meal option. Maintaining a balanced diet while going gluten-free involves incorporating diverse nutrients. Focus on whole foods like fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and gluten-free grains to ensure dietary variety and nutritional adequacy. A nutritionist advises that those on gluten-free diets should prioritize fiber-rich foods to promote digestive health. They also recommend consulting with a healthcare professional to tailor the diet to individual needs. Incorporating gluten-free recipes can be both simple and beneficial, offering delicious meals without compromising health. Enjoy experimenting with new ingredients and flavors as you explore gluten-free cooking options. Try a gluten-free meal today and experience its potential benefits firsthand. Share your culinary adventures and thoughts in the comments and inspire others to explore gluten-free living.